Hi everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Cloud with Ankita. So, I will be covering all the concept of cloud. So, basically, I will cover all kind of cloud service provider like Azure, AWS, Google Cloud, and OCA as well as. So, before starting the cloud computing, I just want to go through like what is the difference, why we will use cloud computing. So, like we traditionally we are using on-premises server, and in that case, on-premises is kind of local server. Okay, and there also we are installing VM servers, and we also need to set up that networking things. Suppose, let me give one example. Like if we want to install any server, okay, suppose you want to host any application, web application, okay, in a particular server. In that case, normally what we are doing, like, to create any server we need obviously that storage things, and also we need to set up the networking things, and also we need to take care the security part, ram and all we need to take care, okay. And apart from this also we need to do some kind of things like log thing, like for the auditing things we need to monitor, okay. As I'm saying, as a part of server hardening, okay, so that things we are normally we are performing for local server, on premises server also, okay. But in that case, suppose we have a high traffic demand for a particular server, okay. In that case, if we have a resource of ram and uh, around we can say if it is 32 GB, okay, and the CPU also we can say it is it might be 16 core, okay, if you are taking as an example. At that time, if you are heavy traffic, during the time of heavy traffic, suppose you want to immediately we want to increase that CPU and RAM. In that case, we need to follow the same thing manually. We need to do all these things like for a Linux VM. Then we need to do that manual commands and all. Okay, and for the Windows also we can increase. We need to go storage team, and then we need to go approval and all these things we need to perform manually, okay. And suppose the traffic goes down and we don't want that server like as I'm saying, right, we don't need that much server heavy traffic, okay. In that case, suppose we need to decrease the CPU and RAM, okay, like that resource, okay. In that case, suddenly we can't proceed to decrease the CPU and RAM. Obviously, it will also, well, we need to reverse the process. It will take time, okay. In that case, like, we are spending a lot of time, and also we are spending our expenses, okay. In that case, so it is not it's not benefited, right? So that case, what we can overcome, that cloud has overcome, okay. So cloud computing is the kind of things like it is, it will provide data storage, networking, compute things, so that it will be easy for the customer, okay. So there are CSP stands for cloud service provider. We can say CSP is like Azure, and we can say the CSP is like AWS, Google Cloud, OCS, Salesforce, IBM also is there on cloud. But mostly the demanding thing is now in market is AWS and Azure, and now other CSP also Google and OCS also it's still increasing. So that is the main thing what why we will choose cloud, okay. Apart from this, suppose like what is the model of cloud, okay. Normally it it can be like IaaS, PaaS and SaaS. IaaS is for infrastructure as service, PaaS is for platform as service, SaaS is for software as service. So, based on our requirement, based on our costing and all, billing and all, we will choose our uh, things. Like for the cloud things, they have like I'm just combining all the cloud. Then later part we will go through each cloud service provider. Okay, so in that case, suppose we need IS. Okay, suppose they are saying no, like just create the server and all. We will take part the hardening things. We will install the antivirus. We will do the networking things and all. Okay, that we can go for as. PaaS is like suppose there is an autonomous database. Okay, and that we can go for PaaS. Okay, so this is the and also we have one function as service. Okay, for AWS we are using Lambda. Okay, so that also we can use. So that is the all the kind of cloud model why we are using cloud. Mostly like cloud is the kind of things we can say it is highly demand in the market. So most later part I will go through the video is like how we'll go get the cloud job and what is the profile, cloud engineer profile, what is cloud architect profile. So that I will go through it. So in the next video is my first video. So in the next video I will also cover a lot of things for the cloud things. Okay, so please subscribe my channel and like and share. Thank you so much. Yeah.